We know today cancer is not a singular disease. It includes a multitude of different diseases, each with its own characteristics and challenges. While we have witnessed remarkable advancement in the field of cancer diagnosis and treatment, the stark reality remains that far too many patients continue to lose their lives. Allow me to drive your focus on some compelling statistics provided by Cancer UK. This graph provides a visual representation of survival rate associated with different stages of lung cancer. As we can see, the chances of survival are significantly higher when the cancer is detected at an early stage, specifically stage 1. This finding underscores the paramount importance of early diagnosis in improving patient outcomes and increasing the likelihood of successful treatment. However, the reality is that the majority of lung cancer cases are diagnosed at a much later stage, primarily stage 3 and 4. This delay in diagnosis severely hampers the optionality in terms of treatments and significantly diminishes the chances of survival for those affected. Before we dwell further into the issue at hand, let us take a step back and ask ourselves, why is it so challenging to diagnose cancer at an early stage? The answer lies in the limitation we currently face in routine cancer screening methods. These methods often prove to be invasive, painful, and costly, which hampers their widespread implementation. In many instances, cancer is not routinely checked because the viable screening procedure may involve invasive techniques that are uncomfortable for patients. Moreover, not all tumors can be reached or detected through invasive procedures, especially when they are small in size, and some cancer may develop in deep-seated pockets or inaccessible area of the body, making it difficult for conventional screening methods to detect them until they have grown to a certain size. These procedures can include biopsies, which require the extraction of a tissue sample for examination, or imaging tests that may involve radiation exposure. So, how can we do better in terms of early detection? We believe an important part of the solution must be making the diagnosis process easier for both patients and doctors. The ideal tool is a blood test that could be used by doctors at routine screenings. This is why we are so excited about the genuinely life-saving potential of what are known as liquid biopsies. But how do they work? Tumors release biomarkers such as DNA, RNA, and microvesicles. Those are microscopic entities that can be detected in the blood samples long before the symptoms might appear. Today, with the utilization of artificial intelligence and advanced sequencing techniques, we have revolutionized our ability to detect biomarkers in the blood with unprecedented sensitivity and specificity. What's more, these cutting-edge methods require increasingly small amounts of blood, making the process more convenient and less invasive for patients. Ease and speed of administration are not the only advantages here. Biomarkers detected by liquid biopsies can in fact offer insight into the characteristics and progression of cancer. This is an increasingly important factor as we want cancer treatment more and more specific and targeted. Moreover, liquid biopsies technology are also evolving to a level where they could identify a cancer organ of origin, and so it can be leveraged to screen for multiple cancers at the same time before symptoms appear. It is important to acknowledge that these technologies are still evolving and have room for improvement, but ongoing research and development efforts are dedicated to enhancing their sensitivity, reducing costs, and increasing accessibility. At Pictet, we are thrilled to support companies at the forefront of this effort and striving to make them a reality on a larger scale.